Do you want to keep your Instagram notes private from certain people? Maybe there's someone you don't want seeing what you're sharing, whether it's personal updates or just casual thoughts. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to hide your Instagram notes from specific people without them ever knowing. First, open up the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android. The process works exactly the same on both. From your home screen, tap on the messages icon to access your DMs. To create a new note or manage who can see it, tap on your profile picture where your note appears. You can either leave a new note or work with an existing one. Here's the key part. When you're setting up your note, you'll see the audience option at the bottom. By default, it's set to Share with Friends, but this is where you control who sees it. Tap on this option to change your audience settings. You've got two main options here. The first is to change from Share with Friends to Close Friends. When you select Close Friends, only the people on your Close Friends list will be able to see your notes. This automatically hides them from everyone else, including that specific person you want to avoid. But what if you want most people to see your notes except for one or two specific individuals? That's where the second option comes in, restricting their account. Go back to your DMs and find a conversation with the person you want to hide notes from, or go directly to their profile. Once you're on their profile, tap the three dots in the top right corner. Scroll down and you'll see the option Restrict. Tap on that and confirm. When you restrict someone on Instagram, they won't be able to see your notes anymore. They also won't be notified that you've restricted them, and they won't be able to interact with your notes going forward. The beauty of restricting is that it's completely invisible to them. They'll have no idea you've limited what they can see. Your notes will simply not appear in their feed, and everything else continues to work normally for both of you.